More over here. So I'm going to go have a look and see what Wonky's up to. He's the furthest one up there on the right hand side. Ooh, look at that. There we go. Well, there's the sight to see. There's Wonky giving us a beautiful show. He's giving himself a belly scratch. And look at that expression on his face. For those of you who haven't familiarized yourself with Wonky yet, we'll go past and show you. He's got some very, very distinct characteristics. His his right tusk is almost like a kudu's horn spiraling down below his mouth, as opposed to curling up like his other tusk. And there's a slight deformity in his right foot, his back left foot. All things from birth, which is fascinating to see that even from birth with those irregularities he's managed to survive to this old age. Another one giving himself a nice good ear scratch. They're really enjoying this tree that they're feeding on. Looks like it's an apple leaf. It's what we call one of our African rain trees. It's particularly high in nutrition. You find a lot of insects utilizing it as well. Insects that suck out the sap, and when that sap comes out of their body, it drips off like water. Imagine 100 insects on one of those branches. Oh, look at this. That was a nice, awesome display of elephant power, eh? Just as we're talking about that tree, it just goes and pushes it over.